How to tint your eyebrows at home. I'm showing you how to tint your eyelashes very quick and very simply in just a few steps. So next, take a cotton bud and apply some petroleum jelly just underneath the lower lashes. This is going to stop the tint from staining the skin. You also want to apply some to the eyelid as well, but just make sure you don't get any on the eyelashes. So take a cotton pad and cut that in half. This is just going to make it fit nicely underneath the lower lashes. You also want to half that just so it's a lot thinner. And then just place it underneath the lashes and it should stick to that petroleum jelly that you've applied earlier. So now we're going to start tinting the lashes. So we want to start with the lower lashes first, and I'm taking an artist brush here which I got in an art store. You could of course use a tinting brush or a very small angle brush and just start brushing small amounts of the tint just on the lower lashes against the pad. Then close the eye, and then you want to work from the top, never from the underneath of your top lashes, and work downwards again, small amounts, building up slowly. Then pop on the other half of that cotton pad and wait for around 5 to 10 minutes. So once the 5 to 10 minutes are up, then just grab the two cotton pads together and just very slowly and gently pull away. That should pull off most of the tint, but obviously you're going to be left with some residue on there, so you want to make sure you clean up just around the eye on the skin, and also take a cotton bud and wipe off any residue that might be left on the lashes. This is really important so that it doesn't get in the eye. So once the lashes seem pretty much clean, then just take a damp cotton bud or pad and just wipe over them just to double check that there's nothing left on there. Then I'm just repeating the process on the other side. And it might seem a bit obsessive, but just finish by double checking that there's definitely nothing left on the lashes. And then you're finished!